Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'm going to show you how to write formal business email templates using ChatGPT. Let's get right into it. Formal emails are a staple in professional communication, helping you convey messages clearly and respectfully. When using ChatGPT, provide details about the purpose of the email, the recipient, and the tone you want. For example, you could say, write a formal email template for requesting a meeting with a potential client. ChatGPT will generate polite, well-structured email templates suitable for various professional situations like inquiries, follow-ups, introductions, or requests. You can customize these templates to match your specific needs, ensuring your messages always sound professional and appropriate. Using ChatGPT for the purpose saves time and helps you maintain a consistent and respectful communication style, which is essential for building strong business relationships. And that's it, guys. Now you have learned how to create formal business email templates quickly and professionally with ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.